Okay, so everyone, for my session today, I recorded it, but there was an issue in my recording, and I do not know what went wrong. But this was the session I took today. I took a total of 9 trades, um, 4 losses and 5 wins. Just that after I got 3 trades in a row, which was my stop loss, I didn't want to end the day with stop loss, so I continued trading, and yes, that was how um I was able to like regain my trade back. So now this I'm going to walk you through the trades I took since I took records of it. So let's open them one by one. Okay, the first trade I took was a reversal pattern. I didn't draw the full image, just this one image, and I bought when I saw this 1 2 3, and I saw that this green candle broke the wick of this candle. I was expecting the next candle to be a green candle, but it's retraced. So it retraced below my entry point, and I lost the trade. So let's go to our second trade. Oh, it was a win. Sorry, this trade wasn't a loss. It was a win. I thought it was a second trade. It was a win. I almost actually lost the trade. If you can see my first session, lucky win. There was a gap down, and the gap down saved me from losing the trade. I would have lost the trade if not for the gap down. For the second trade, which was a losing trade, um, so we had this this candle, this engulfing candle. Yes. And when I saw this engulfing candle, I saw this rejection candle, I saw this engulfing candle. Actually, I took this trade at a swing position. So when I entered on this red candle just beside the green candle, and that just at that point, and you saw it ended up in a red candle, so I lost the trade. The next trade I was a loss. I took that next trade immediately when I saw that this red candle expected the red candle expected the surface of this place. We expected the surface of this place. They expected it. So that's why I took a trade there. I took a buy, but this candle also expected it. But it was on this candle, and it was just a little bit below my entry point. You see that there was a gap down, and this candle ended here, and I took my buy almost immediately. So the candle came down, and I lost the trade. Now for my fourth trade, that was a loss. This first trade, I remember that I didn't follow stochastic. Stochastic was showing that sellers they were strongly in control. But I saw that this was a strong support point, and I entered just at this candle for a buy, seeing the rejection that the previous red candle has felt. Then I took a buy at this candle, but it ended up selling. Saw this stochastic, but I was looking at is a strong support point, and I didn't follow stochastic momentum. So Next time I will try to make sure I follow the stochastic momentum. Okay, this is my fifth trade and it was also a sell. It's not this red candle, but at this green candle. Now, after this candle broke this point, I was looking at it at the angle of having a three upside down pattern, which is a reversal pattern. I didn't really look at it as a breakout and it having a possible retracement phase. But when it came down to this point, I sold just immediately after the candle, and I thought this would have been a losing trade, but I won the trade because the candle after it gave a gap down, and because the gap down was below my entry point, I won it. That was my second lucky trade of the day. I was so lucky to have won this trade. So let's go to the sixth trade. Okay, yeah, this is the sixth trade I took. I just at this point here, just at this point here, I took this trade because this is a resistance point. My first signal was this candle rejecting this resistance point. My second signal was having a strong body candle, not too strong, that broke the lower wick of this green candle. So that's why I entered for a sell here. Yeah, it was very very close to breaking my point too, but I won the trade. So let's go to our next trade. I think that should be my seven. Now for my seventh trade that is a win. I saw my reversal pattern 1, 2, 3. Okay, this trade was a loss. Was a loss, not a win. I entered immediately after this point, but the candle retraced up. It retraced up, and I entered again. Because when I saw that yes, this candle retraced up just below this week, I entered again. And that's when my eighth trade was a win at this point. Yeah. I won this candle at this point here. My ninth trade was a very very similar pattern. Also very very similar. Just as my last win, we had a reversal pattern. Then after the reversal pattern, we had the retracement. This green candle. Since I saw this retracement, then I decided to enter in the next candle. If you see this kind of pattern and you see stochastic coming down like this, and you see these small retracements, it's a short pattern. Like 70 to 80% of the time, it always come. Yeah, you will actually lose some trades, especially if you are trading OTCPS. But yes, it will always come. So guys, that's it for today. I took a total of 9 trades, 5 wins and 4 losses.